Welcome to the Tech Yorker Guides channel. In this video, we will discuss why Greenshot app is not working on your Windows 11 PC and why you are unable to take screenshots when you press the print screen key after launching Greenshot. The first method that you must try is rerunning the Greenshot app with administrator rights on your system. Firstly, close the Greenshot app from the System Tray Icons menu and then search for it in the Start menu. Click on the Run as Administrator option and then click on Yes to launch the app with administrator rights. Now press the assigned key or right click on the context menu and capture a screenshot region. If this step doesn't work, then another app is interfering with your Greenshot installation. In some cases, if you use Dropbox on your PC, then you must change its settings in order to stop saving the screenshots to Dropbox. Open the Preferences option and then navigate to the Backups section. Make sure that the Share Screenshots using Dropbox option is unselected. Click on the Apply button and then the OK button to finalize the setting. If you use OneDrive, you must disable the following setting and then save the settings to stop saving your screenshots to OneDrive and use Greenshot instead. Also, close the following apps like ShareX, Snipping Tool or Lightshot and then restart Greenshot. You can also uninstall these tools if you don't have any use of them. After a recent update, Microsoft decided that the print screen key will open the sniping tool by default. But you can see that the Greenshot app also uses print screen key and a combination of more than two keys along with print screen to save the screenshots. In such cases, you will have to change the accessibility settings on your Windows 11 PC and stop it from using the default print screen hotkey. Simply type the accessibility settings in the Start menu and then press enter. Now you must uncheck the following toggle to stop Windows from using the print screen key as the default key for opening the Sniping Tool app. Close the Settings app window and then close Greenshot too. After that, restart Greenshot and then when you press the print screen key, Greenshot will pop up. It is similar to all other apps that use print screen key because Microsoft's new update changes the default behavior of the key. The next thing you can do is uninstalling a recent update. If Greenshot stopped working on your PC after a recent Windows update, you can remove it. Just open the Uninstall Update section and then find the most recent installed update. Click on the Uninstall button and then click on Uninstall once again to remove the app. You might have to restart your PC to apply the changes. The last resort that you can try is reinstalling the Lightshot app to fix corrupted files and replace it with a new installation. Find Greenshot from the list of installed apps and then select the Uninstall option. Grant permissions to remove it and then open a web browser. You can see that it is already running, so I have to close it first and then reattempt the uninstallation. After that, use the web browser to search for Greenshot and then visit its download page. Download the exe file for the Windows computer and then run the installer file from the browser. Follow the on-screen apps for installing Greenshot and do not make any changes to it. Wait for the installation to finish and check the hotkey mapping of the app. If you want, you can change the print screen key to any other key. These were all the methods that you can use to fix screenshots functioning on a Windows 11 computer. Do like and share this video with other Windows users, and also consider subscribing to the Tech Yorker Guides channel for more such helpful video tutorials on complex Windows problems. Also visit our website techyorker.com